Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for Pisces. Okay, we have the Page of Pentacles, the High Priestess and the Star. The Moon, the Four of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. The Two of Wands, the Eight of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune. Let's have something here. The Ten of Swords, the Eight of Wands, sorry, the Six of Wands and the Ten of Wands. Okay, Pisces. You are learning to follow your intuition and do what is right to move towards your wish fulfillment. Okay, so small steps are being taken in which are very intuitively guided towards your dream project or towards your dream, towards your wish fulfillment, with the Star being there. You are really following your intuition and you are going slowly and steadily. So slowly and steadily you are moving towards your wish fulfillment. Okay, and you are doing that very intuitively. So you are not making an impulsive move, you are very controlled, going slowly and steadily, as I said, very intuitively guided and moving towards your wish fulfillment. With the Moon, the Four of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. So with the High Priestess and the Moon, definitely your intuitive abilities are really high, Pisces. Okay, so definitely you are following your intuition. So maybe with the Moon being there, maybe whatever this is in which you are moving towards, whatever this direction is in which you are moving towards, and that is your wish fulfillment, there is some uncertainty also here. Maybe the things are not very clear in that direction. Maybe there is in this situation you really don't know what the outcome will be. Can be that is why you are moving very slowly. Maybe perhaps you are not sure of the outcome. Obviously you are following your dream, you are following your we have the Ten of Cups also here with the Star and the Ten of Cups. So definitely whatever this situation is, you know that is where your happiness lies. Okay, you know it is your happiness, you know it is your dream come true. So that is why you don't want to make any impulsive action. That's what I feel, and that is why you are moving very slowly and in a guarded way towards the achievement of this happiness and this wish fulfillment. Okay, because you are not sure of something. Maybe you don't have complete information about it. Maybe you really are not sure of the output or the outcome of the situation. Okay, for whatever reason, but it is a very wise decision which you are taking. You are moving very guardedly. That's what I feel, to achieve this Ten of Cups. Okay, towards this Ten of Cups and your wish fulfillment and happiness. Then here we have the Two of Wands, Eight of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune. So one more thing here is that with the Two of Wands, the Eight of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune, there is a situation here. It's like you are waiting to make a move. Now you are, perhaps there was a time when you were totally stuck. Your past experiences were such that you were not able to release your past experiences. You were not able to come out of those past experiences and you are not able to liberate yourself from those. Now what I feel is maybe that is what this is, your effort is. It can be as simple as that you are liberating yourself from this containment zone or this fear of past experiences which you were not able to let go of, and now you are ready to release them and move towards a new journey. And that is what the change is all about. That's what I feel. This, with the wheel of fortune being there, it's like now you are ready to let go of whatever it was which was holding you back or sort of imprisoning you for it was just the fear and the anxiety. It was not in fact things were not there actually, but it was more in your head. Okay, and because of that you are not able to let go of certain situations. Now you are able to liberate yourself from them and you are able to move forward. So you are now ready and well equipped. Okay, I have done that inner work, I have done what was supposed to be done, I'm ready to leave the past behind, and now I'm ready to make a move, I'm ready to take a step forward towards my happiness, towards my wish fulfillment, whatever it is. It can be totally your own soul journey, because you are slowly and steadily taking the steps towards emotional happiness, towards your wish fulfillment. It can be your own inner self and your self-worth type of a thing, or it can be something which is actually there where your happiness lies and you need to take an action on it, you need to move to it, and that is why you are doing all these efforts. But this is a great liberation time. You will feel the change that now you are able to leave those chains behind and move forward. You are ready to do that. Then we have the 10 of swords, the 6 of wands and the 10 of wands. So the change is, as I said, this is the change which is coming in. With the 8 of swords, we have the 10 of swords. So no matter how hard things were, no matter how betrayed you felt, how cheated you felt, how knocked down you felt, now you are able to take that step forward. You are able to achieve victory, and celebration time is there. You will be able to achieve the happiness, you will be able to achieve that victory, and you really feel unburdened after that. You will be able to feel that okay, now it's like you're ready to put that burden aside, that emotional baggage, whatever it was. So this is the change which is coming in, and you are slowly and steadily doing the inner work also. The high priestess and moon, maybe all this is within you. You are trying to release that emotional baggage or that emotional stuff which is holding you behind, or the inner fears which are holding you behind from achieving this happiness, whatever this happiness is for you. Okay, and that is the path which you are traversing, and once you are able to do that, you will perceive the change in the form of the fact that you are ready to move forward in life, you are ready to achieve victory here, because this cycle is definitely ending now. Whatever this cycle was which was holding you back is definitely ending now. You feel liberated, you feel victorious, you feel unburdened, and you really feel happy, and you've emerged victorious here, Pisces. Let's see what is the message from this deck. Again, with the Ace of Diamonds being there, this is the World card. So be open-minded, be in a state of mental peace. This is definitely a cycle which is coming to an end, and it is opening up new vistas of life. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Seems to be a powerful time. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.